This is how I hide valuables at the beach. No thief will ever find them. Two genius tricks I can't imagine vacation without. For the first method, you'll need a diaper. Take a clean diaper and put your valuables inside. Wrap it up carefully so it looks used. Then place it in a Ziploc bag. Dig a hole in the sand, put the bag with the diaper inside, and cover it up. Leave your flip-flops on top so you know exactly where your hiding spot is. For the second trick, take a plastic food container with a lid. Carefully make a small hole in the lid using a knife. Open the container and place your phone, jewelry, or cash inside. Now take your flip-flops and thread the strap from underneath through the hole in the lid, then seal the container tightly. Dig a small hole in the sand right next to your towel. Place the container inside and bury it. Only the flip-flops stay on top. No one will ever guess what's underneath. These two simple tricks can truly save your vacation. They're worth knowing.